In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create e-commerce website in Prestashop. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to prestashop.com and proceed to click onto this Get Started. Once you have clicked on that, it should be able to show you the offers. So we have in here Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. For this case, let's proceed to choose the Classic one and click on this Discover Classic. From there, you should be able to see the download option. When you click onto this button, you will be redirected to actually add right here your email and choose why you want to use Prestashop. From in there, click on download and you should be able to get it directly from this site. So in order to create an e-commerce website directly, you just need to follow the guide that we have right there. So for this, just head over and then make sure that you have the right legal status to open your online store, such as your tax, and anything associated with trading. Download the classic offer, which we have earlier, and install your store and choose your hosting provider. You can also try out the hosted offer to get your store pre-installed with hosting included. Just choose the main name of your future online store website and deploy the e-commerce builder and customize your store with their e-commerce templates that they have available. From in there, start creating your catalog and product listing and add new functionalities as well as products to your actual store that you want to set up. Next, set up your online payment solution and choose a carrier for the delivery of your products if you're actually planning to deliver or to sell physical products. If you're planning to sell digital products, then there's no need to set this up. Now just open your e-commerce store to start selling on the web. So we have in here that you can actually create an e-commerce site easily with Prestashop, and it's locally hosted, so it's good for you as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.